In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PineScript on TradingView step by step. Whether you're new to TradingView or just looking to brush up on your scripting skills, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in and explore everything from accessing the platform to creating your first script and beyond. First off, let's get you onto TradingView, which is essential for using PineScript. TradingView is an incredibly versatile charting platform loved by both traders and investors worldwide. It's accessible from any web browser, so go ahead and open your favorite browser and type in tradingview.com. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account if you have one. If not, it's quick and easy to create one. Just follow the simple registration prompts to get set up. Now that we're signed in, it's time to open up the Pine editor, where all the magic happens. On TradingView, look for the Pine Editor tab. It's typically located at the bottom of your chart window. Click on it and it will expand to show a code editor. If you're unfamiliar with TradingView's layout, spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this area. It'll be your creative playground. Next up, let's create or add a script. You can start from scratch by clicking on the New button in the Pine Editor, which will give you a blank slate to work with. Alternatively, if you already have a script saved or would like to explore some existing templates, you can click on Open to browse through available scripts. Remember, TradingView has a library of public scripts you can learn from, perfect for getting inspiration or seeing how others have solved similar challenges. With your script space open, it's time to dive into the actual coding part and save your work. Begin writing your PineScript code in the editor area. PineScript is used primarily for building custom technical indicators and strategies, so start with something simple, like creating a moving average indicator. The language is designed to be easy to learn, but if you're new to coding, take your time and experiment. Once you're happy with your code, be sure to click Save. Name your script something meaningful so you can easily find it later. Finally, the best way to improve your skills is to explore and learn continually. TradingView and PineScript have extensive documentation available online. Go through these resources to understand the finer details of scripting. Additionally, the TradingView community is robust and active. Engaging with other traders' scripts can expand your understanding, so don't hesitate to read others' work and even ask for help on forums if needed. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to use PineScript on TradingView. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started on your PineScripting journey. Until next time, happy trading.